In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sample a video in Soundtrap and remove background music. Before we jump in, there's an important limitation to know. Soundtrap can't import video files directly. That means the very first thing you need to do is extract the audio from your video outside of Soundtrap. Use any reliable video to audio converter and export to WAV for best quality, or a high bitrate MP3 if you need a smaller file. Keep an eye on volume so the audio isn't clipping, and aim for a standard sample rate like 44.1 or 48 kHz. Once you've got your audio file, you're ready to head into Soundtrap. Open a new project and import the audio by dragging the file into the workspace or using the import option. Place it on a track and let it analyze. If you're planning to loop or cut to a tempo, set the project tempo now. If alignment isn't important, you can turn off snapping for more precise edits. Zoom in on the waveform to find the section you want to sample. Trim the edges to isolate the exact moment, and split the region where comp are needed so you can move or duplicate parts. If you want to change the feel, try time stretching while preserving pitch so your sample stays in tune. You can also shift the pitch by a few semitones to better fit your project. Rename your clips to stay organized as you build your arrangement. Now let's make that voice pop and reduce background music. The processing chain matters, so follow this order for the best results. Start with EQ. Add a high-pass filter and cut the lows below about 150 to 200 Hz to remove rumble and bass-heavy music. Then add a gentle boost in the 2 to 5 Hz range to enhance voice clarity. Keep boosts subtle to avoid harshness. Next, add an auto filter set to bandpass. Aim for a range around 300 Hz to 4 kHz. This focuses the track on the frequencies where speech lives while pushing down the low thumps and high cymbals that often dominate music. Adjust the filter width and cutoff until the voice sounds natural but more forward. Follow with a compressor using medium settings. Think a moderate ratio with a sensible threshold so you're getting a few decibels of gain reduction. This evens out the voice and helps it stand out against the music. If you have de-reverb, apply it lightly to reduce room sound and any lingering music bleed. Don't overdo it, small moves usually sound more natural. Play everything back, toggle effects to A/B your changes, and adjust levels so nothing clips. The result should be a clearer voice and a noticeably quieter background.